I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and setting a timeline that matches your final export. Import your clips, PNG overlays, and audio, then trim to the exact in/out points so you only work with needed footage. Once done, set the project frame rate, 60 FPS for smoother motion, 30 FPS for smaller files, and choose the right aspect ratio. This prevents jitter or letterboxing later. Make sure to organize clips in labeled tracks so you can add effects without losing source footage. Next, you build motion and isolation using keyframes and masks. Add keyframes for position, scale, rotation, and opacity, then ease them to create natural acceleration or deceleration. Use shape or freehand masks to isolate faces or objects, and feather edges to blend them into the background. Once masked, stack effects, blend modes, motion blur, and a subtle color grade to integrate VFX. Make sure to preview frame by frame when syncing masks to movement. This prevents slipping during finish by rendering correctly and checking for errors. Export using H.264 or H.265 with an appropriate bitrate, 8 to 20 Mbps for 1080p, and render at full resolution. Export a 5-10 second test clip to confirm motion and color. Once done, inspect edges, mask alignment, and audio sync. If you see jitter or mask drift, refine keyframe timing, increase mask feather, or enable frame blending to smooth differences. Tip: if colors shift,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.